Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming which pieces are actually damaged and which are simply loose. This saves time. Remove shoes and empty the rack so you can work unobstructed, then unscrew any loose fasteners enough to assess hidden cracks. Once done, measure gap distances and note warped boards. Make sure to have matching replacement screws ready and clamps at hand. You'll act on the weakest joint first, because repairing, that restores overall rigidity quickly and prevents wasted effort on intact areas. You now perform the core structural repairs. Clean old glue, sand mating surfaces, and apply a consistent bead of wood glue or epoxy to each failing joint so the bond penetrates. Once applied, align pieces precisely and clamp them square. This ensures proper cure geometry and prevents misalignment. Replace any stripped screws with slightly larger diameter or use thread anchors for a reliable hold. Finally, install small metal brackets at stress points to spread load and avoid repeat failure. Reassemble the rack methodically, tightening screws evenly and checking vertical plumb and horizontal level as you go. Uneven torque creates new stress points. Once assembled, perform a staged load test by adding shoes one shelf at a time up to normal capacity so you detect problems early. If you hear creaks or witness wobble, stop and tighten fasteners, add a brace where movement originates, or replace the compromised piece. This single troubleshooting tip, address the first noisy joint, prevents hidden failures later.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.